Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa is going to prepare another Chinese New Year dish for you. A few days ago, I went to one restaurant and I saw them preparing this dish called, they actually call it 口水鸡. If you translating it, it actually means that the chicken, they will make you salivating. Okay. Now what they did here was they actually steamed the chicken, free range chicken in the middle, and then they put some broccoli around it. All right. So and then they will make a little bit of sauce and pour over the chicken, and also put on some fried garlic on top. Okay, so I'm going to show it. It actually looks good and it tastes good as well. Okay, so what I'm having here is half a free range chicken here. Okay, this is about 1.5 kg, and according to the person who sold it to me at the wet market, he actually told me this is not 菜盐鸡, but this is 菜鸡, which is slightly more expensive than the normal free range chicken. He said it's because this normal free range chicken is the meat is quite tough, but this is softer. I don't know whether I should believe him, but yeah, I just buy and try it out. Okay, so of course we also have some broccoli here, and usually after you cut your broccoli into smaller pieces, you will want to soak it under water and put on some salt into the water. Okay, it is believed that the salted water will actually, should there be any small little ants inside, hiding insides, or any small insects inside the broccoli, then it will actually, the salt will actually force them out. Okay, so always soak them like this. All right, then after that, I'm going to just roughly show you how I will normally cut my chicken. I'm not someone who's very good in knife, but yeah. Okay, so of course you want to wash your chicken nicely, and usually they will degup the chicken for you. So what we do here is you will have your upper part and lower part. The upper part is usually here. Okay, and this is your drumstick. Normally when you raise the drumstick, there's actually a cavity, the cavity between drumstick and your what we call breast meat. Okay, so this cavity here, you can actually put in your knife very easily, right? Put in your knife very easily and cut it off. All right, then you have your thigh and also your breast meat, yeah, together with the chicken wing. Okay, so after that, maybe we can cut the thigh first. Usually I will cut out the drumstick. Normally when you cut your chicken or cut anything, yeah, I will prefer to use a cleaver like this, and just do it slowly so that you won't hurt yourself. Sorry. Yeah, just do it slowly. My cleaver is not sharp enough right now. Let me very quickly. So I'm going to use a plate. Okay, just use the plate to sharpen my knife, my cleaver. All right, and then wash it out, wash a bit. Let's continue. Okay, this is done. This part, sorry. Okay, this is the thigh. Put aside. Now we can actually remove the wing from here. This part you can also cut. So you have your chicken breast. Usually what the butcher will do is they will actually cut it here in the middle. Ooh, this chicken is not easy to cut. Oops. Okay. Yeah. So this is the breast meat. You want to chop, don't put your knife, your hand over there. Okay. Not extremely pretty, but here you are. Okay, and we can actually give a bit of seasoning. I'm going to give it some CNY. Okay, some CNY. Then with a little bit of salt. That's all. Alright. Then I'm going to arrange this into a nice plate for steaming. Okay, this will be my steaming plate. Put in the chicken. Arrange them nicely. Okay, so I'm going to steam the chicken like this, and then towards the end I will blanch my broccoli separately and put them around it. Yeah, so let's go and see my steamer now. Okay, so one boiling pot of water here. Slowly put in the chicken. Alright, and I'm going to close the lid. I'm going to use high heat to steam this for about 15 minutes. Then it should be cool because my chicken is very small. The whole chicken is only like 1.5 kg, so this is about 750. Not very big chicken. Should be able to cook by 15 minutes. If your chicken is larger, say those above 2 kg, thicker meat, you probably need about 20 minutes. This one, 15 minutes more than enough. Alright, we'll come back shortly. Oh, meanwhile, I'll prepare the sauce and also blanch the broccoli. Okay, while waiting for my water to boil for blanching broccoli, let's make the sauce. Okay, just very simple. Put in a little bit of probably a tablespoon of oyster sauce or abalone sauce. I'm using abalone sauce today. You can use oyster sauce as well. Okay, and then about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce. 1 cup of Shaoxing rice wine or half cup, no problem, up to you. 1 or 2 drops of sesame oil. Okay. Few dashes of white pepper. A little bit of salt. A little bit of sugar. Okay, and I'm going to add some hot water here. Not much, just 2-3 tablespoons of hot water. And you want to nicely make everything nicely dissolve. Okay? You want the salt and sugar to be fully dissolved into this sauce. Okay? Very fragrant. I can smell the sesame oil. I always like to use Korean or Japanese sesame oil. They really taste better. Okay, it's basically done. And I'm going to blanch my broccoli right now. Okay, the hot water is now boiling. Now before we blanch, I'm going to put in a little bit of salt. and a little bit of oil. Okay, this will help to keep your greens very green. Okay, it will look, the color of your broccoli will actually look better. Okay, put them in. All right. Okay. So bring this to a boil and let it cool for probably a minute or two. Then it should be done by now. Okay, by then. Okay, you'll come back shortly. Okay, my broccoli has been boiling for the past 2-3 minutes. Okay, you don't want to overcook them. As you can see from there, the color already started to change darker, greener actually. Okay, use a sieve to take them out. We use broccoli a lot, especially during Chinese New Year, because it gives you very nice color contrast to the anything, whatever you cook. Okay, off the fire, and my chicken is almost done. Alright, my ayam kampung has been steaming under high heat for the past 15 minutes. Whoa, nice, beautiful chicken oil has come out, and some chicken juices. Nice chicken juices here. Okay, like I always say, be careful when you are steaming things. The moment you take out the lid, don't immediately go put your hand inside. Let the all this hot steam to escape for a while. Then only you use a tool to take out the chicken. Okay, do it slowly. Okay, so here's my chicken. And I'm going to put in the broccoli. Let me see, still hot? No, it's okay. Can use my hand. Just put the broccoli around the chicken. Ooh, it can be quite hot. You can use a spoon to help you if it's too hot. Okay. Oh, started to look very good. Here, let's fill out all the gaps. Then it will look much better for this dish. Ah, looks very good now, right? Okay. And then don't forget, we still have some sauce. Okay, this is the steamed chicken sauce we made just now. I'm going to put it on, or pour it over the broccoli, because the broccoli doesn't have much flavor, and also the chicken. Ah, nice. Now we have one last thing. Okay, which is the fried garlic. Appa always got fried garlic at home, so you can search for my video on how to make fried garlic. Okay. So just put a generous amount of fried garlic on top, and it is done. Beautiful dish. Okay, let me adjust the angle for you a little bit. Alright, so this is my steamed free-range chicken. Okay, actually you can use any chicken you like. It's your own preference, no right or wrong. There's no rule in Appa Kitchen. Okay, Happy New Year to everyone. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. By the way, Appa will be launching my official app very soon. And you know what? I'm going to write my recipe. You are going to find written recipe in my apps. Okay, stay tuned. Bye-bye.